There's a big update that we're getting right now. There's a big storm in the country with regards to NEET, and now situation only worsening. The NTA has cancelled the UGC National Eligibility Test. Now, the NET exam has been cancelled by the NTA. CBI will now be probing the UGC NET exam compromise. The centre said that the integrity of the exam may have been compromised. What the centre has also said that the cyber cell unit got intel on the test being compromised. New dates of the exam will be released soon by the National Testing Agency. My colleague Milan joins me for more on this. Milan, there's a huge storm in the country with regards to the way that the NEET exam was conducted. Now, the NET exam also coming under the scanner portrays a very grim picture as far as the education system and more so the examination, the way it is conducted in the country is concerned.
Well, that certainly raises a question on whether or not, the NTA is equipped enough to carry out, big exams that are done, competitive exams in the country with integrity. But certainly this is their own step that the government has taken this time, because an input was received according to the press release issued by the government education ministry, that there were inputs from the I4C unit, which is part of the Home Ministry and that tracks cybercrime there. There seems to be an irregularity that has been tracked within the paper that was conducted on the 18th of June in 2 shifts. And therefore, the government themselves have taken this decision to cancel the exams to maintain, as they say, the integrity and the transparency in exam conducting in the country. But certainly that does raise questions on whether or not India and authorities here are equipped enough to carry out competitive examinations that could maintain the trust and integrity of the students as well. And remember, the NTA is also currently under scanner because of the NEET exam and the irregularities that have come forward, with many discrepancies there, even as some students have been given an option for a re-NEET. This time all around, the UGC NET exam will also be conducted again, the dates for which have not still been announced there.
Right. Milan, stay with us. Let me go across to Nidhi Taneja, who's also joining us live for more on this. Nidhi, the fact that a central agency like the CBI has been roped in to investigate into this particular discrepancy that has happened, does this really indicate to the fact that the real problems that we're looking at here are rather deep-rooted?
Well, rightly said, because like you saw, the NEET exam had the entire controversy when it began, close on the heels of this is also being happened in the exam that is taking place right now, UGC NET, and there were demands regarding the UGC, regarding the NEET exam, that there should be a CBI probe in the exam. And now you can call it a NEET fallout, that the government, that the education ministry has immediately reacted, because the exam happened just yesterday on the 18th of June. This exam took place where over 9 lakh students had appeared for the exam, and 19th of June, 10:30, this notice comes from the government, from the education ministry. There could be a precedent being set, but more questions raised on the functioning of the NTA itself, because the National Testing Agency conducted the NEET exam where about 24 lakh students had appeared, and now 9 lakh students had appeared in UGC NET exam that takes place for assistant professors, fellowship, etc. The UGC received inputs and acted on that behalf, and it is a big decision in itself to cancel a whole exam. I guess the NTA and the Education Ministry wants to set a precedent, considering the rap it got from the Supreme Court recently. Supreme Court made some serious observations recently, saying that even if 0.001% of there is a blunder even of that sort, you have to agree, you have to acknowledge, and you have to say that yes, we will rectify it. close on the heels of that as a NEET fallout, you can call that. The UGC NET exam is now cancelled, and within one day, 18th of June, the exam happens. 19th of June, the government, the NTA comes out with a clarification before it spreads like wildfire. They come out with a clarification themselves and say we will hold this exam again. However, a new date has yet not been given for this exam. And like I said, the Supreme Court's recent observations seem to have acted in the sense that the NTA and the Education Ministry this time around chose to act themselves. But again, questions will be raised on the functioning of the NTA that conducted both these exams. And this is not an exam of just 1 lakh students or a few hundred students. It is an exam conducted for 9 lakh students, 24 lakh students. Not an easy exam to conduct again. And now, since they have said that they will conduct the exam again, it will definitely be a Herculean task, but rightly so, because if the sanctity of the exam seems to have been affected, then it raises grave questions, grave concerns on the functioning, on the credibility of the agency itself. And before any questions be raised on the government, any fingers be raised on the government, it itself came forward and said, we are, rectifying this within just a day. But what about NEET? Questions remain on the NEET issue because CBI probe is being demanded on that exam itself, where there is the extent of irregularity seems to be huge.
Absolutely, the extent does seem to be huge. Let me go back to Milan, who continues to be with us. Milan, the fact that we're looking at a new date to be announced now, obviously this puts the students in a situation of lurch where they really don't know what to do next. But is there anything that you can learn from your sources right now as to what this expected date could be like? Could this be an extension of a month, maybe more than that, given the complexity that it requires for the NTA to conduct the exam? What is the timeline that we're looking at?
At this point, it would be very difficult to mention a timeline because a formal date has not been announced, and we certainly don't want to jump the gun on that one, because the aspirants who have lost this particular chance because of certain irregularities at the moment, of course, remember, neither the NTA that conducted the examination and nor the government in their formal notice have said what kind of irregularities or discrepancies were seen in this particular paper. So that is why they have ordered a Central Bureau of Investigation inquiry, which is a CBI inquiry. But certainly they're taking the step forward that they will conduct these exams again is, as my colleague Nidhi pointed out, a message that is being sent by the authorities at the moment, especially from the Education Ministry, who are facing fire because of the NEET examinations and the level of discrepancies that are now coming out in that particular exam. So, of course, UGC NET is supposed to be a different kind of exam, and NEET is certainly a different exam. So, the propensity of people, the number of people appearing for the exams is also different from one another. And one will have to wait and see whether they are able to come up with a date in a week or perhaps within a month. And that will perhaps decide what kind of course correction the government is taking. But surely, it is a message that is being sent right now through this particular move that the government has taken suo moto to cancel the exam as soon as they received news of some kind of discrepancy and irregularity within the exam there, Harshit.